Welcome back. Now let's design the layout of this sphere and handle the calculations of this activity. Go to activity_sphere.xml file, and here I will create two text views and one edit text and one button. So I will start with edit text 0dp because I'm going to use the constraints, and height wrap content, id edit text sphere, text color be white, and this depends on the background of this activity. So I will add the background number 2 that I added to the drawable folder. Hint. Also, I need a white hint, end to end of parent, start to start of parent, and top to top of parent. Then I need to add a text view. And I will place this text view above the edit text. Just cut this. And I will add margin here with the edit text, margin top 174 dp, which is good. Okay. And this text color, white, I will add text attribute, sphere volume. Okay. This is good. Now let me add another text view and a button. Also, you can drag and drop it below like this, but I prefer using this constraints. I'll add the button. I will drag and drop it below and infer the constraints. Okay, so this is good. This is our layout for the sphere activity. Let's move to the sphere activity and initialize these variables and widgets. The first text view is text view 2, and the result is text view 3. You can use both types. You can write like this, or you can use and pass the type of the widget here in the find view by ID generic type. And here we go. In the next video, we're going to handle the click event on the button and do the calculation for this radius that it is passed by the edit text.